Lesson 4. Grammar 4.3. Noun counters. In Korean, some counters take Sino-Korean numbers, while others take native Korean numbers. 4 dogs are
개 4마리,
and the counter
마리,
was used with a native Korean number,
넷,
which changed its form into
네,
before the counter. Senior in college is
대학교 4학년,
and the counter
학년,
was used with a Sino-Korean number.
4,
This table shows you the counters used with the 2 different types of numbers. First, let's look at the counters that are used with native Korean numbers.
명,
People,
마리,
animals,
개,
items,
권,
volumes,
과,
lessons,
시간,
hours,
달,
months. Now let's take a look at the counters that are used with Sino-Korean numbers.
층,
Floors, layers,
과,
lesson number,
원,
won, the unit of Korean currency,
학년,
school year, grade,
년,
year,
월,
month for date,
일,
day for date. Now let's learn how to say the names of the months in Korean. The counter for this is
월,
and it's used with Sino-Korean numbers.
1월,
January,
2월,
February,
3월,
March,
4월,
April,
5월,
May,
6월,
June,
7월,
July,
8월,
August,
9월,
September,
10월,
October,
11월,
November,
12월,
December. Before the counter, the number 6
6,
changes its form to
6,
the number 10
10,
changes its form to.
시,
On the other hand, when counting months to indicate how many months something lasts, use the counter
달,
along with native Korean numbers.
한 달,
1 month,
2 달,
2 months,
3 달,
3 months,
4 달,
4 months,
5 달,
5 months,
10 달,
10 months,
11 달,
11 months,
12 달,
12 months. Whether you count the number of years or refer to a year as a specific point in time, you can use the counter
년, 1년,
1 year,
2년,
2 years,
3년,
3 years,
10년.
10 years. The Korean alphabet
한글,
was invented in 1443. The year of 1443 is
1443년.
in Korean. Choose the most appropriate way to read the following in Korean. Which of the following counters is used to count animals?